Guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing a review and a comparison of the Louise base and the Makeup Revolution concealer. So I'm going to be doing an eye look with both, and I'm going to be telling you my thoughts on this too. So we're going to be comparing to see how they fare. Louise base has been quite popular. This is what it looks like. 15 ml and it's £10. It's full coverage. I think it comes in 7 shades. This is in Remote 02. I've also got Remote 05, this Remote 05, and this Remote 02. So this is what the Makeup Revolution looks like. It's £4.99. It's 4G, and it's got about 7 shades as well. The Louise base is £10, and this is £4.99. The Louise base have 15 ml, while this has got 4G. It's 0.14 grams, and this is 0.504. So the Louise base is more. In terms of packaging, the Louise base is really nice, and it just has this you just put the product in a brush. Makeup Revolution, so it has an applicator like so. So it comes up with an applicator like so. So in terms of packaging, I don't mind which, I can just put this into a brush and apply it. This you can just apply directly on your face. So for the Makeup Revolution, I've got 2 shades. I've got C1 and I've also got 10.5. I'm going to put the 10.5 all over the brow. I'm going to use 01 to cut the crease. Got Remote 05, which is a darker shade, and Remote 02. Remote 05 is close to my skin color. And this is Remote 02. I use this all over as well, but I'm just gonna use this to cut my crease today. So I'm gonna jump right into the application. So I'll use the Louise base hair. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution hair. So Makeup Revolution hair, it's quite creamy. I like the consistency. It's not wet, it's not runny, so it's quite creamy. This is my Real Techniques brush, so I'm just blending it in, like just tapping it in with my Real Techniques. I'm not going to apply the Louise base hair. This is Remote 05. So I'm just tapping it in as well. I'm going to swap this to the other side and tap it with the other side off. I'm going to go in with my Morphe sponge, and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to flip the sponge to the other side, and I'm going to blend the Makeup Revolution side. I'm going to be using my Morphe 39L palette. I'm going to use pink. I'm going to use this color and this too. Yeah, I'm just going to go color white because I want to kind of test the eyeshadow. So I'll blend. So I'll start in with the pink color. So I'm starting with the Makeup Revolution side. So I'm just putting the pink on my crease. I'm gonna do the same, spend some time, so I'm just gonna quickly blend. This is the Louise side. The Louise side, just like the way it's adding the product in. Yeah, Louise side is more vibrant. It's picking up the color really nicely. I think the Louise side is picking up the pink really nicely as compared to the Makeup Revolution. And the Louise side is really vibrant. I blend it. So I've just picked up a clean brush to kind of phase it out. So this is the Louise side. I'm just doing nice circular motion there. Because when you blend, the color tends to disappear. I'm just going to tap it back in. Just to intensify the pink, and then I'm gonna go into the Louise side and intensify as well. Go back into that brush and start blending. Back into the pink. I've not put any more product, I'm just dabbing it in with the same brush. I'm just going to use that to deepen the crease. I'm just tapping it into the Makeup Revolution side. Then I'm going to just tap it into the Louise side as well. On the Makeup Revolution, I'm kind of packing more colors in for it to really show. But the P. Louise, as soon as I put a small touch on it, it shows up the color nicely. I don't know if that's kind of showing on camera, but I had to put more there. I'll go back in the pink color and blend it out. Stamping the pink back in the P. Louise side. Just tapping in that pink. I'm now going to blend the outer side with this brush I used earlier. And I'm just going to use this yellow color to blend out. I'm first kind of going to tap it because it looks like this color tends to disappear. Go back in with the brush I used in applying the pink. The same brush and just... I'm going to be cutting my crease now. Makeup Revolution, I'm going to be using C1 to cut my crease. So I'm just using the applicator. P. Louise side, I'm going to be using Rumor 02. Gonna kind of blend out the outer side like so, kind of shift it in. Gonna go back in with all the colors, the crease brush with no product in, and just... I'm gonna put some more Makeup Revolution just to give it more of an even base, like a proper white base, because I'm gonna be putting like yellow on it. I'm gonna go in with more P. Louise base, give it a proper white base. So I'll go in with this yellow shade first. They both take color very well, but the Makeup Revolution one looks like it's breaking already. I'm gonna go into the ring and just start packing that in. I like the way the P. Louise base picks up the color. Not all over the place, it's just very nicely. And you don't need to put in too much, and the P. Louise base tend to pick up the color very nice. The Makeup Revolution side is picking up the color as well, so that's good. But I see myself packing more on. I think maybe it's the eyeshadow as well. But I see myself kind of packing a lot more on this side. So I'm having to go back into the yellow. To be fair, I'm packing more on both sides. So yeah, maybe it's the eyeshadow as well. The Makeup Revolution looks like it's kind of breaking. The P. Louise base is still there, like there's no sign of any wear and tear already. But the Makeup Revolution, like here, is already showing signs of creasing. Makeup Revolution side is showing signs that it's gonna crease probably. I'm just using a concealer to kind of clean up my eyes here. So I'm gonna go back into the pink color, and I will just connect it like so. I'm gonna go into the red. I'm gonna go into the yellow shade. I use this shade here just to have a bit of shimmer to it. So I'm using this shade here, like a nice silvery. Ooh, there's this shade here which is like white. So maybe I'll use that. Maybe I should go up like so. I've kind of pushed it all the way up to the crease like so. Greenish kind of color. So I'll use it. Complements the yellow more than this color here that I've used. So the blending brush and just blend out, soften everything out. Okay, so I'm just gonna conclude the rest of my makeup offline, and I'll come back with my final touch. I used the eyeliner, I used my NYX mascara, pop on some lipstick. I'm tearing up now, so the eyeshadow is transparent here, but on the other side, the Makeup Revolution side is creasing as opposed to the P. Louise base. So in terms of application, this applies okay. They're both creamy and nice consistency. But in terms of wearing now, the P. Louise base is better. Well, the P. Louise base blends better. It applies the products better as well. And the Makeup Revolution blends okay. I would use it if I don't have my P. Louise base on hand. In comparison, this is the winner. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Have you got the P. Louise base? Have you got the Makeup Revolution one? Comment down below. What are your thoughts? If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you see the videos as they come. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.